1. Tardigrade. The life form that refuses to end. The tardigrade is so small that most humans will never see one without a microscope, yet it possesses abilities that make even advanced human technology look fragile. These creatures can survive conditions that completely destroy human cells. Extreme heat, extreme cold, intense radiation, crushing pressure, dehydration, and even the vacuum of outer space, none of these reliably kill a tardigrade. When their environment becomes dangerous, tardigrades activate a survival state called cryptobiosis. In this state, their bodies almost completely shut down. Water leaves their cells, metabolism drops to nearly zero, and biological activity pauses. But this pause is not death. Years later, even decades, a tardigrade can rehydrate, repair damaged DNA, and continue living as if nothing happened. Scientists have revived tardigrades after exposure to space vacuum and cosmic radiation. Humans cannot pause life. We cannot stop time inside our cells. The tardigrade doesn't fight danger. It simply waits until danger no longer exists. In nature, survival doesn't always belong to the strongest. Sometimes it belongs to the one that can endure the longest. 2. Electric eel, a living power source. The electric eel is one of the few animals on Earth that produces electricity as a natural biological function. Most of its body is made up of specialized cells known as electrocytes. These cells store electrical charge in the same way batteries do. When activated together, they release controlled electrical pulses. Electric eels use low-level electricity to sense their surroundings, almost like biological radar. Stronger electrical discharges allow them to defend themselves or interact with objects in the water. What makes this ability extraordinary is precision. Electric eels can control voltage, timing, and frequency. They don't waste energy. Every discharge is intentional. Humans must build power plants, wiring systems, and batteries to use electricity. The electric eel evolved this ability internally, turning its own body into both generator and control system. This animal shows that technology is not always artificial. Sometimes it is biological. 3. Mantis shrimp, seeing a hidden world. The mantis shrimp does not experience reality the same way humans do. While humans have 3 color receptors, mantis shrimp have many more, allowing them to detect wavelengths and light patterns invisible to human vision. They can see polarized light, a feature humans cannot perceive without advanced instruments. This allows them to identify surfaces, objects, and animals in ways that appear almost supernatural. Their visual processing is incredibly fast. Instead of analyzing information slowly, mantis shrimp instantly categorize what they see, allowing immediate reactions. Humans rely on technology to analyze invisible light. The mantis shrimp evolved eyes that naturally reveal a hidden layer of reality. To them, the world is richer, deeper, and far more detailed than anything humans experience. 4. Axolotl, the master of regeneration. The axolotl is living proof that healing doesn't have to leave scars. When injured, axolotls don't simply patch wounds. They regenerate entire structures. Lost limbs grow back fully formed, including bones, muscles, nerves, and blood vessels. Even more astonishing, axolotls can regenerate parts of their heart, spinal cord, and brain without losing function. Humans heal through scarring, which limits movement and function. Axolotls restore their bodies perfectly, as if damage never happened. Scientists study axolotls because understanding their biology could change the future of medicine. If humans could activate similar regenerative pathways, injuries once considered permanent might become temporary. The axolotl doesn't heal better than humans. It heals differently. 5. Octopus. Intelligence, distributed through the body. Octopuses are among the most intelligent animals on Earth. but their intelligence is structured in a way humans cannot replicate. More than half of an octopus's neurons are located in its arms. Each arm can sense, decide, and react independently while still working with the central brain. This allows octopuses to multitask naturally, exploring, manipulating objects, and responding to threats all at once. They are also masters of camouflage. Specialized skin cells allow them to change color, texture, and even reflect light to blend perfectly with their surroundings in real time. Humans rely on tools and computers to multitask. The octopus evolved a biological system where intelligence is spread throughout the body itself. It is not just smart, it is efficiently intelligent. 6. Pit viper. Seeing heat itself. Pit vipers perceive the world in a way humans simply cannot. Special heat-sensing organs near their eyes detect tiny temperature differences in their environment. This creates a detailed thermal map of their surroundings. Even in complete darkness, pit vipers can detect warm-blooded animals with extreme accuracy. Their perception does not depend on light. Humans require infrared cameras to see heat. Pit vipers evolved this ability naturally, embedding thermal vision directly into their sensory system. Their world is not defined by color or shape alone. It is defined by temperature. This ability turns darkness into visibility. 7. Peregrine falcon. Biological speed perfection. The peregrine falcon holds the record for the fastest movement ever recorded in the animal kingdom. During its hunting dive, it reaches speeds exceeding 300 kilometers per hour. At these speeds, even slight errors could be fatal. Every part of its body is engineered for speed. Aerodynamic feathers, reinforced bones, specialized lungs, and eyes adapted to high-velocity vision. Humans require vehicles and machines to reach such speeds. The peregrine falcon's body itself is the machine. Speed is not something this bird uses occasionally. It is built entirely around it. These animals don't rely on inventions. They are the invention. Each one represents millions of years of evolution, refining a specific ability to near perfection. And as science continues to explore the natural world, one thing becomes clear. Human limits are not universal limits. Somewhere out there, more abilities exist, hidden, unexplored, and waiting to be discovered. Nature has already written the blueprint. We are just beginning to read it.